playing with some train tracks, and we are going to open.
What is that? What is that?
Who is it?
Thomas train.
We got Thomas and Friends Kenji. Kenji here. We're going to open it up, get him started, and see how Brayden likes it.
Open it right now.
Okay, let's do it. You want help? You're not excited, are you?
Yes.
That's good. I'm going to see.
And I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to pull it out there. I'm going to pull it out there.
Go for it.
Pull it out.
There you go.
Doesn't it work? How do you get out there?
Let's see. He's wrapped up pretty good there. Let's see here. Kenji looks pretty cool.
Does it work?
And you know what? I think we're going to need a screwdriver to put the batteries in. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. We got screwdriver. And we're going to put the batteries in, Kenji, and see how Brayden likes them. Check them out.
I'm going to put them on this. I'm going to get more train cars. More train cars. I'm going to put batteries in there.
You are?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
This goes that way?
Let's see. Now flip it over.
Okay.
There you go.
Does it work? I don't. Does it go this way?
Yeah. Push it toward. Wait. Push it towards the spring first. Remember, push it towards the spring first.
Can get hold of it.
There you go.
Now I see it works.
Okay.
It works. It works.
Put it back together.
I'm going to
Okay.
sell. How do I do it?
There you go.
I'm going to do it myself.
Okay.
I'm going to do it. How do I do it?
There you go. That's right. There you go.
Faster.
You're doing it right.
Faster, faster. I'm good, faster. Is that enough?
Let's see. Let's see if it's tight enough real quick. It probably is. I can't even get it on there. There you go. All right, let's connect them to the other one.
Okay. I'm going to more train cars.
There they are up here.
Now, I'm going to more train cars. What's the other train cars I had?
Right.
Now, the different ones. Goes to different trains. To these trains right here.
Try and back step. Uh-oh.
No chill. Goes pretty fast. The other train goes to these.
Yeah,
That was ones. But
that's
where
true.
are
You can hook
they?
them up.
Where
That
are
one
they?
don't have batteries in it. I don't know. Put them on a track and see how it goes.
Turn that way.
Okay.
And just, no, don't start yet. Let's go get the other one. It belongs to it.
Let's want to try this first, and then we'll go get them.
It goes way fast. I'm going to not do very good. Ah! I didn't do very good.
He went off too fast, didn't he?
Right here.
Oh, wait. Let's see if he can climb up.
I want me to do it. Turn off to the
Okay, you do it.
Yeah. It's pretty fast. It's pretty fast.
There you go.
It's pretty fast. Oh, okay. That's too much train cars. Now, that's done. It's done. Right here. Now let's go get them. Now let's go get them. Now let's go get them, Daddy. Look what I'm doing.
Okay, we found some more. We found some more cars. Brayden's gonna hook up to Kenji and try to get him rolling on Thomas Trackmaster.
Yeah. That's fun. Not this. Not this one. This one on now. Back. Now, all done. Think I can pull that many? Think I pull that many? I can pull it.
Oh no, just try it and see.
Oh my gosh! Can't do it. Oh no, oh no, no. It's going to fall down. I will help it. The way we pull it just much, you know, where I can. And then I pull this thing. Help.
Good man.
Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Turn it off. And do the same thing. Ah!
A little crash on our hands.
Well, it's going to crash. We couldn't add a food. And then add the rest to the other train. I didn't know it's going to happen. And then it don't fall down on curbs anymore. Instead of add a food, couldn't take this off and add the food. Right in the middle. It is in the middle. It is in the middle. Put this up to that one. This up to that. That. That does it. See that? It can pull out many. It don't fall down on curves. See that?
Think you can do it?
See? It can make it up the hill. Oh no! No, it couldn't add as many. It couldn't add as many. Just take it out. Take these out. Put this back in. Couldn't have done it. Couldn't add this. Couldn't add. And now this. Now this. Now, that does it. It put in each train cars. So you can make up here. Can you make it up the hill like this? Can you make it up the hill? I can make it. Oh no.
Oh, popping a wheelie. You can do it, Thomas.
Do it, Thomas.
Oh, Kenji.
It's a back. I didn't know if that was going to happen.
Wipe out.
One. Put some in that so that one can work. It don't even work, but let's just put batteries in it.
We just got one left. Wait, I might know where some more is. Want to go see?
Yes, but first,
Okay.
these on.
I'll be right back.
Okay. One on back. One. Okay.
Found some more batteries. We go through batteries like crazy.
Chris on track. And you do it help. You will help. You do it help. And you do it. Go! Go! Put that in here. Put that in here. I didn't know that was what happened. It's chugging away.
Oh no!
It's chugging. He's going, he's going, he's going. No.
This might be a good example of what not to do.
No. Ah, that was too fast. How did it go too fast downhill?
I don't know. Maybe we need some different tracks at the end of it. I don't know.
Wait, do? Huh? But Daddy,
Yep.
maybe we can do it on a track in the middle about no hills, please. You can do. That we
Maybe.
can.
You may be right.
Yes, we can do that. Do the turning tracks in there, probably. I think that will work. This one, that one track. We're getting the diesel one. And that one. There we go. Diesel.
Try to get through here without.
It's diesel. One diesel. Ah! It got the diesel one going again. Now that's done. Here's some tracks.
Maybe there's some
I found some tracks.
tracks with a rail on them. Because I can't remember. It seems like there was. Is it these? No.
No. No. No. Has to be a track in the middle. Has to be a track in the middle, Daddy.
So we're checking it out.
Stop.
Trying to
Stop.
get the bugs out of it. And seems to be going pretty smooth, don't it? Uh-oh. Get behind you.
Get right out of here. Oh, man.
That Kenji's pretty cool. He's a lot different than the other ones that Brayden has. So it's
There we
pretty
go.
cool. Uh-oh.
Stop, stop, stop. Go. Yeah. Let's go.
Now who's that one? What's his name?
Diesel.
Diesel. Diesel looks like he's working on catching up with Kenji.
And in
It could be a disaster in the near future.
It's getting closer.
Oh no!
It's getting closer.
Oh no! What's gonna happen?
You know what's going to happen. This is going to help.
It's just gonna help. Okay. Oh, okay. That's definitely a relief. That's pretty good. Diesel to the rescue. Is he gonna go down there? He is wiped out.
Wait a minute. Let's take off this track and put on this track something you couldn't have done. Let's put a track on this one. That. Let's just add this. We don't need to add these. We don't need to add these. I'll just
No,
add it.
we don't.
Just add it. This and the track. Now. This way. Curve around. Mommy, run your way, curve around.
And the election's going on right now, the presidential election, and it's quite a mess.
There's a mess in here again.
But we will see what happens.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yes. And let's find the other pieces that goes to that set. Daddy, let's find the other track to this track.
Now you'll have to show me that one because I'm not very familiar with that one. I don't know. Do you know the parts that go to it?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. Will you help me on that one?
These go to this. They'll go. The signing, the garden. Oh, does this go to
We
it?
got everything mixed together.
Does this go to it? Maybe. It's not front piece.
That one?
Yes, it does. No, Daddy, it does. It's not going to put
Oh,
that
okay.
there. That was one.
All right.
That one.
Good job.
That's the one. That's the one with that tail. How do we put it there? How do we get it there? Well, I need someone to hold it up. But Mommy just take this out and just add it. And take it again. Take it apart. Take it apart.
Take this apart?
Yes.
Okay.
I just only need a little one to hold it up. Can we get it in?
Yeah.
This right here. And move that. Move it. Yes. Move it away. That way. Oh.
That goes right there. And then it goes down like that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, test it.
Ah,
I have to go.
Ah.
that's cool.
Let's test it. Where's Diesel? Where's Diesel?
Okay. So something needs to attach down here at the bottom. Yeah, okay.
Test.
So train raises, and this raises the train up to the top. The train goes out, and that bends down and connects to that one.
Yeah.
And then we need to
Stop.
connect something to that
Stop.
one.
To that. Stop. Stop. Just keep it. We'll keep on chugging. And do. See that? That's how it
Okay.
goes.
We just need the
That's how it goes.
the one that connects to here, and
Yes, it is.
you can keep on going. That's cool.
It is.
Clever.
Cool. It is clever. This one to it. This one to it.